In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in PDF file. Now, in order for us to proceed with this one, let's just head over here in Google and let's go ahead and type here Adobe Sign PDF, just like so. And then let's go ahead and look for this option right here. So this is from Adobe, so you can guarantee that this is going to work really well. All right, and now we are here. From this point forward, go ahead and click select a file. Oh, by the way, you can go ahead and create your own account. This is going to be for free anyway. You don't have to pay anything. So click select a file right here, and you're just going to go ahead and locate the file that you're going to be using. For example, I'm going to go ahead and upload this one right here. All right, so now that you have uploaded this document right here, I want you to go ahead and basically locate the part where you're going to put the signature, say for example here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click e-sign here, or e-signature, and then you can actually go ahead and click this one. Let's go ahead and click the here in order for us to edit our signature. So this is my name right now. You can just go ahead and type your name here. So in this case, you have the option to draw as well, and then to choose an image. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and make a drawing here. So let's say, for example, this is how my signature is looking. I can just go ahead and click the save option here. And then as you can see, we are now using that signature. Now I can place it here, and then you can go ahead and make some adjustment if you want to make it bigger or smaller, and then basically put it at the desired part. Now that you are done, just go ahead and download this one. You can head over here and then click this PDF, download PDF, and then once that you've done that one, you can head over to your files, and then we're going to scroll down, and there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and then click this download button right here, and then go ahead and save it wherever you want. So if we are going to open it and scroll down, we are now able to see our signature. And thanks for watching, everybody. That's how it works.